In terms of the actual finding good products, really, for me, it's like a sixth sense. Often, like inside of Etsy Kings, obviously we follow a criteria, and then it's more like actually the successful sellers on any platform, whether it's Shopify, whether it's Etsy, it's literally a sixth sense. Like it's just knowing which products sell well. Like maybe you guys think this would sell. I wish I had examples next to me. Maybe like this product you guys think this would sell really well, but because I've sold $6 million online, I know exactly what I'm doing. I know this product's shit, so I know to sell this instead. It's like simple shit like this. Like you just figure it out over time in terms of like what I actually personally do, because I've been literally doing it full time for 3.5 years, like tens and tens and tens of thousands of hours I've spent on this. So that's what my actual main product research method is. It's just kind of like knowing what a product that looks like literally having sold thousands and thousands and thousands of different items. I know exactly what looks like a good product and what is a good product. Don't get me wrong, I still make mistakes, but like this is basically what I do, right? Like I just know my shit. Like when you spend fucking 16 hours a day for years doing it. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.